Look at this recoil starter assembly. In legacy utility engines designed to survive the harsh conditions of industrial sites, manufacturers built the recoil mechanism with 3mm solid steel starting dogs that engage directly with a metal cup on the flywheel. This metal-on-metal connection could withstand thousands of rapid, hard pulls. Modern budget generators, priced under $500, bypass this rugged steel connection entirely. Instead, they use a 0.8mm molded nylon pawl that engages with a thin plastic flywheel cup. Under the cold, high-tension conditions of a winter blackout, this cheap plastic components become brittle. Pulling the cord in a panic shears the nylon tabs off instantly, leaving you with a limp string and a useless generator. A bold retail tag claiming a 4,000-watt starting capacity will not help you start an engine with a broken plastic recoil. This starter weakness is the default standard for budget retail generators. Manufacturers use cheap plastic internals to lower the retail price under $400, then wrap the unit in bright, glossy starting watt stickers to draw clicks on store shelves. They count on the fact that you will only run the machine once a year, meaning the plastic parts will survive just past the return window. But the moment the power fails and you pull the cord, you will discover that the cheap nylon starter is a critical weak point. Homeowners do not buy specifications, they buy starting certainty. But when you shop based on low checkout prices, you are buying a machine optimized to break when you pull the starter. I scanned the inventory of 3 local big-box hardware stores this morning. Every single machine under $500 is a mechanical liability. The retail market rewards low prices and inflated wattage numbers, forcing manufacturers to cut corners on the engine metallurgy and parts support. There is one specific generator under $500 that professional installers actually respect. We are going to explain why this machine represents the smart floor for backup power, and show you how to avoid the online clones that are designed to be disposable toys. The average consumer assumes that if a suitcase generator is cheap and has decent reviews, it must be a smart backup option. In reality, these generic imported brands operate in a domestic parts vacuum. If a small plastic fuel nozzle or a carburetor float needle breaks, you cannot find replacements on standard parts websites. You call their customer service number, and you are routed to a dead inbox in another country. If you cannot order spare parts, your $300 generator becomes a useless piece of scrap metal the first time a cheap component fails. The first trap under $500 is the generic online suitcase inverter, such as the PowerSmart PS5020. It looks like a premium brand suitcase generator, and the $300 price tag is highly tempting. But underneath the plastic housing, the internal components are built to the lowest possible standards. Because the manufacturer has no domestic dealer network and no parts supply chain, you cannot buy replacement gaskets, carburetors, or brushes. When a component fails, the machine is completely unrepairable. The second trap is the cheap gas-only open-frame conventional generator. These are sold under various licensed brand names at big box stores. They offer high advertised wattages, like 4,000 running watts, for under $400. But they run at extremely loud volumes, exceeding 74 decibels. This level of noise violates residential city ordinances, meaning you cannot run them at night without risking fines or neighbor disputes. More importantly, their electrical current is highly distorted. These budget open-frame units produce over 20% total harmonic distortion. Total harmonic distortion measures how clean the electrical waves are. Sensitive appliances like modern refrigerators, furnace blowers, and smart HVAC systems require clean waves under 5% distortion. Running these appliances on a conventional open-frame generator causes their control boards to run hot, eventually frying the microprocessors and leaving you with a massive repair bill. Sizing your backup system around a cheap conventional generator is a critical mistake. Homeowners believe they are saving money, but when they have to replace a $600 smart refrigerator board, the savings disappear. Inverter generators are the only safe way to back up modern households. And if a brand cannot guarantee clean wave outputs or supply replacement parts, you should walk away immediately. There is one exception that professionals respect: the Champion 2500-watt inverter generator, Model 200951. Typically priced between $400 and $450, This unit represents the starting floor for smart backup power. It provides 1,850 continuous running watts of pure sine wave power, with a total harmonic distortion under 3%, making it completely safe for your microprocessors. More importantly, Champion has a domestic US-based customer support infrastructure. If a carburetor nozzle or recoil starter fails, you do not have to throw the machine away. Champion's website provides full parts schematics, and their tech support team will drop ship replacement parts directly to your house. This repair loop is the single most important factor that separates Champion from cheap online clones. The Champion 20951 is also highly portable. It weighs only 39 pounds, meaning a single person can easily lift and move it from the garage to the yard. It features a low-oil automatic shutdown switch, fuel economy mode settings, and runs at an honest 53 decibels on eco throttle, ensuring quiet operation that will not keep your family awake at night. Additionally, Champion offers a built-in parallel port. This allows you to purchase a single unit now on a budget and bridge a second unit later using a parallel kit. This doubles your continuous running capacity to 3,700 running watt. You can build your emergency system incrementally as your budget allows, rather than buying a cheap, unreliable open-frame unit up front. Why does clean wave power matter? Think of electrical current like a road. A clean wave is like smooth asphalt. Your car runs smoothly and efficiently. A distorted wave is like a dirt road with deep potholes. Your car can survive a few hits, but driving on it for days will destroy the suspension. Dirty wave electricity causes sensitive microprocessors in appliances to overheat and fail. Modern appliances contain complex control boards. In older appliances, electricity just powered a basic motor. Today, everything from your washing machine to your refrigerator uses microchips to adjust efficiency. If you feed these microchips jagged electrical waves from a cheap conventional generator, they will fail rapidly, leaving you with cold food and a dead appliance. Imagine storm night. The power is out, and your neighbor is running a cheap conventional generator. It roars at 74 decibels, keeping the entire street awake. Meanwhile, inside his kitchen, the dirty electrical waves are running hot through his refrigerator, frying the smart control board. By morning, his engine is running, but his food is spoiled because his appliance is dead. Contrast this with a Champion inverter generator running quietly in your backyard. Your refrigerator remains cold, your laptop stays powered, and your neighbor's complaints are avoided. If your budget is under $500, do not gamble on unbranded Amazon clones. The Champion inverter is the only smart floor choice that delivers real backup security. In the next episode, we are calling out 5 generators that look like premium military gear but are built like cheap plastic toys. Subscribe so you do not miss it, and let us build a backup plan you can actually rely on.